Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'll show you how to change name on Royal Match. So let's get started. First, launch open your Royal Match application. Then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on your profile picture. Tap on the pencil icon. And then enter your name. Once you're done, tap on the Continue button. Re-enter your new name once again. Tap on the Continue button. And if you are sure, tap on Yes. And this is how you can change name on Royal Match. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.